Hi, this is Mark with ValueCharts.com. We are looking at a daily chart of the Euro US dollar cross. The reason why I've been focusing on this market is because I believe that this market holds the key for a lot of potential other moves that could take place near term in other markets as well. We recommended a shorting signal last week at the open of this week, kind of a longer term signal, and we recommended putting our stops above the high of last week, which was at a level, call it of 133.08. That stop level is still intact with everything that's happened this week. We've gone up over the past day, and especially today with today's trading range, and we reached a high of 132.82 or 83 almost, and have been repelled from that level. Now, with today's price action, I would say that things are starting to look good for some downside potential here, but the key is going to be breaking this level, the support level we've had building for the last couple of days here. And I would say it really is, it's right around the 131.59 level here. If we can break this level and close below it, I would say there's a good chance that we could start to see some downside action here, especially on a longer term basis. If I go ahead and pull up my weekly chart, I can see that we're seeing potentially a very nice bearish divergence starting to form here. We have a weaker MQ momentum indicator histogram reading with higher price levels here. Prices reached up into moderately overvalued on a weekly basis, and then you can see they've been repelled since then. And now if we break the low of last week, which is right around, again, the 131.43 level, then we put ourselves potentially in a pretty good situation to see a possible major turning point here in this market. Now, if that does happen, I would say the first downside target would probably be support right around the 128.75 level, and then after that we should see some support right around the 126.60 level. And then if we fall through those, we should go down to test the 120 level. And if we fall through that, then we should go all the way back down to par. So there's some fairly significant implications here if we do see a weekly topping formation in the euro currency US dollar cross. And this would also point to a potential stronger dollar scenario, which would also point to a potential of weakening commodities. Now, all of this could come into play here over the next couple of weeks, but we'll continue to watch to see what happens with the euro currency. Our weekly trade is still very much in play here. Our stop, as I said before, at 133.08 is still very much intact. And I like what I'm seeing on a weekly and a daily basis for this market to start heading south. That's all for this video. We'll continue watching this, but be watchful for a major potential shorting opportunity in the Euro US dollar cross. Have a great week. Thanks for watching.